Brad here from F.S.A Sessions Australia, back with a little tip that I found on my BBQ, a little Weber. So as you see, I've got a hot plate and a grill on one side, and the thing you need is baking paper. Now you wouldn't think this would work, but it actually works really well. Keeps your barbecue in awesome condition. Everything's non-stick, so you don't have to worry about ruining your eggs or anything like that. It's brilliant. Best thing I've come across. So naturally it does, as you can see on the grill side, it does get a little bit burnt, and yeah, it does, some of it does break up. But on the hot plate side, it's normally perfect. That's the best part about it. Scrunch it up, barbecue's clean. Hope that helps you out, guys. Stay tuned for some more little tricks that I've learned along the way.